Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how it's easy and simple to service your Lexus ES300 hybrid. How to change engine oil and oil filter, cabin filter and air filter. Also how to reset your computer. Service kit I'm buying directly from Lexus online shop and on trade account it cost me £89. This service at Lexus will cost you over £300. Doing at home, it's 3 times cheaper. To do a service you will need 0W16 engine oil, oil filter and sun plug. A special tool to open your oil filter, you can buy this one on eBay. Air filter and cabin filter. One jack, 2 side supporters just in case nothing happens wrong with you. Small set of tools. We're going to use a little ratchet, 14 milliliters head and 10 milliliters head. And last thing, buckle to drain your oil. Lexus has got a metal thing here in the middle and you need only one jack. First we need to remove those 4 10 milliliters screws. Before you're gonna start draining oil, remove your dipstick and also open a filler cap. To drain the oil we're gonna need 14 milliliters head, and here we go. Here is our oil filter. We're gonna use a special tool to remove it. Be careful, just because it's gonna come some oil as well. We're gonna need to catch it just slowly until it's gonna start. You can easily remove a tool slowly using your hands to remove an oil filter. Until it's gonna stop the drain, in the same time we're going to change air filter. To change your air filter is very simple. You need just to unclip those 2 things. Push a bit in the front and here we go. After 10,000 miles air filter looks still very good, but because I'm ordering all service kit, I'm changing every 10,000 miles. Now we're gonna change cabin filter. Cabin filter is located, how it's called in English, hand glove department. Not too sure, but here we go. Simple. You need to unclip those 2 things, remove that, and the simple take this one off. Here you go. Come here. You can see how dirty it is compared to new one. I do recommend to change every 10,000 miles. Make sure you're going to line up. It even shows up on a frame and up on a filter. Same as well, up goes on top, goes inside. Oil filter comes already lubricated. To tighten, you don't need to use any more special tool, just good hand tighten. Guys, don't forget to remove old sun plug. Give a good clean. Apply a new sun plug. Guys, you're gonna need 4.5 liters of engine oil to fill your Lexus. Put dipstick in a place and start your engine for a couple of minutes. Check your oil level Here we go, all good. Don't forget to lubricate a little bit this rubber. Happy to go. And final bit, we're going to reset a service. Usually I'm servicing every 7,500, but this time I was a bit late. Okay guys, let's go on a settings. Let's go down. Vehicle settings. Oil maintenance. Here we go. Yes. Reset completed. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, thank you for watching.